At yun ang mga kabayan, sa pagpapatuloy nga ng hearing kaugnay dito sa maanumalyang disbursement ng pondo noong panahon ng eleksyon na pinamigay sa mga constituents ng Cagayan. Ayon nga kay Governor MAMBA bilang ayuda ay atin ngang napag-alaman na ito ay illegal at ito nga ay pasok sa vote buying ayon sa COMELEC. Ngunit sa mga nagdaang hearing at mga ilang pagpapatawa gamit ang sabpina dito kay Governor MAMBA at ang kanyang mga tauhan, hindi nga nagsipunta itong mga to sa una at pangalawang hearing. Kaya naman nung umattend sila sa pangatlong hearing gamit ang sabpina, talaga namang ginisa sila ng matindi ng mga congressman. Isa nga sa mga hindi umattend noong nakaraang hearing na umattend ngayon ay si attorney ni Governor MAMBA na nakipagsagutan pa sa congressman, kaya naman nasoplak sa kongreso. Sa tingin nyo mga kabayan, dapat lang na nasoplak itong si attorney dahil sasagot pa kahit alam niyang mali naman siya sa umpisa pa lang. Comment nyo nga yan sa baba at huwag nyo nga kalimutang i-hit ang like at subscribe button para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw kabayan. Panoorin natin ang kabuuan ng video ito.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Tanong ko lang kay...
By the way, what's the manifestation?
Yes, Mr. Chair, a short manifestation. Considering na parang hindi pwedeng gumalaw ang provincial government ng Cagayan, kung wala itong mga taong ito na pinag-a-attend natin na daming rason, no? Sabi nga nila, kung ayaw mo talaga, palaging may dahilan. Kung gusto mo, palaging may paraan. So itanong ko na lang kay provincial administrator, ilan ba ang empleyado ng Kapitolyo ng Cagayan?
May I respond, sir?
Including
Please
job
proceed.
order, all.
Please proceed.
Almost 3,000, I believe, Your Honor.
That includes job order casuals.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Lara. Co-chair, please.
For
Please
Mr. Catalino Arugay, is he present?
Please approach the microphone.
Mr. Catalino Arugay, can you state your position for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Chair, I'm Catalino V. Arugay. I'm the Provincial Warden.
As Provincial Warden, are you saying that the same reasons why you failed to appear on Monday for this meeting was because of the absence of a travel authority, same as the other two persons earlier questioned?
Your Honor, we have a meeting and I learned that we are going to ask for an excuse for the meeting last Monday.
I'm sorry?
Nag-meeting po kami, nag-letter po ang Provincial Administrator that we will request for the excuse po kami sa meeting ng Monday.
So it was the provincial administrator who told you to ask for an excuse, that
No,
you be excused?
siya po ang nag-ask ng excuse.
I'm asking you, Mr. Arugay, now as provincial warden, why did you fail to appear last Monday?
Yung nga po, pina-excuse kami doon sa letter, kaya hindi po kami pumunta.
What letter are you talking about?
Yung letter po ng provincial administrator that will be excused for the hearing last Monday.
And the reason for your absence would be, or the excuse for would be what? What would be the excuse for?
Yung letter po ng provincial.
Oh God. So Mr. As provincial warden, are you part of the distribution of the relief goods
Yes, Your Honor.
as provincial warden?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you leave your detainees and go distribute goods?
Yes, as part of my duties.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, diretso pagkatanong lang. Pero kung pinayagan kang umalis doon at pumunta dito, pupunta ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, so ang problema is the order of the provincial administrator.
Yes, Your Honor, because of the letter of the provincial administrator.
Now, the letter of the provincial administrator addressed to this committee is to explain why you should be excused. Now, hindi namin tinanggap yung letter nyo. Kaya nga pinadala kayo ng show cause order. Di ba? Tama?
Opo.
So, ang tanong ko lang, kung may order, official travel authority, an order from the provincial administrator na pumunta dito last Monday, pupunta ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman.
kung tatanungin natin po lahat yung mga
Same.
yung 12 na sasabihin din nila provincial administrator pa rin ang bagsak eh. May I ask the provincial administrator, are you a lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And maybe you would know the different levels of authority insofar as laws are concerned.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Does the Constitution provide the powers of Congress, especially in the conduct of its jurisdiction?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, you are talking about authority to travel, right?
I did not understand the
Ang
question.
pinag-uusapan natin, kung nakikinig ka, tungkol lang sa travel authority and
Yes.
so far as your 12 employees are concerned. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, tama. And it flows from the local government code, Republic Act 7160. You would know that, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, which is more superior, the Constitution or the,
The Constitution,
government
Your
code.
Honor.
right?
Yes, Your Honor.
O bakit ang ini-implore ninyo ay yung local government code? Ang ini-implore namin dito ay yung Constitution.
Given the circumstances, Your Honor, we were hoping that the committees, the joint committees would consider.
Understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Eh, ang basis mo pala is you were hoping that we would understand. Alam din namin yung batas eh. Kaya yung lahat ng explanation ninyo, hindi palatable insofar as this representation is concerned. Hindi valid. Di ba? Would you accept that? You being a lawyer.
May I respond, sir?
Yes, I'm asking you.
Sir, given the circumstances and the directive of our governor to prioritize the activities for relief and financial distribution, Your Honor, we had to comply with the directive of the governor. That's why we exercise due diligence by.
With your indulgence, attorney, kaya ako prenemis yung question ko pagtatanong sa iyo kung ikaw ay abogado at alam mo yung diferensya ng mas mataas na batas at saka yung mga batas na ang source ay yung pinakamataas na batas. Di po ba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. And what you are trying to explain na authority ninyo is source from the local government code. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which flows from the Constitution.
Yes, Your Honor.
O alin ngayon ang dapat ninyong sundin? Yung Constitution o yung 7160?
Everything should be compliant with the provisions of the Constitution, Your Honor. The Constitution, Your Honor.
You are showing that you are really a lawyer sa pagsasagot mo.
The Constitution, Your Honor.
Yes. Thank you. So, sundin natin yung Constitution. Yun ang pinakamataas na batas as far as lawyers are concerned. Tama?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. We should follow that. And you took an oath to follow the Constitution and obey it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. So, you obey it.
Yes, precisely, Your Honor.
Yes,
That's
pero
why.
Gamitin yung 7160 na rason kung bakit hindi kayo naka-appear dito. Because the Constitution says na mas mataas yung processes ng Kongreso. Tama?
Correct, Your Honor.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you,
Mr.
Chairman
Chair.
Akop. Anyway, before we proceed, let me acknowledge the good congressman from the 2nd District of Davao de Oro, Congressman Honorable Ruel Peter Gonzaga. Ay, boss. Thank you
On
for
the-
coming, boss.
Part of the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of Representative Munir Arbison of the 2nd District of Sulu and Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez of One Rider Party List.
Thank you, mga boss, for coming. If we have done with the provincial jail management officer, your excuse. No excuse.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Next.
Miss Christine Reyes. Christine Reyes. Dyan. Ms. Christine Reyes, to abbreviate the proceedings, I would just like to ask you one question. Was your failure to attend the meeting last Monday due to the absence of travel authority issued by the provincial administrator?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
The same?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Marinita Obispo? Anita Obispo? Miss Obispo, was your failure to attend the meeting last Monday due to the absence of a travel authority issued by your provincial administrator?
Yes, Your Honor. And I am sick. Last Monday, I have no voice.
So because of the absence of travel authority and your illness,
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Amelia Malano? Miss Amelia Malano, the same question. Was your absence in the meeting last Monday due to the reason that you were not given a travel authority by your provincial administrator?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Miss Rosario Mandak. Miss Rosario Mandak, was your failure to attend the meeting last Monday due to the reason that you were unable to secure a travel authority from your provincial administrator?
Your Honor, that is one reason also. But the main reason po is I am a social worker from the Provincial Social Welfare Office, and my mandate, because we have the Super Typhoon Egay, we have a scheduled prior to the notice of our hearing last Monday. We have already scheduled activities, and we already coordinated to our recipients. So last Monday po, we were in the area, one of the hardest hit municipality of Cagayan, and we personally distributed relief supplies.
You
to
are with
our
what
residents.
office?
Social Welfare for you.
How many employees are there in the social office?
We have a limited manpower po you.
How many are employees?
In our main office, we have only 11.
11. And how
Yes.
many JOs are contractual employees?
9 JOs and 1 contractual.
And the activity cannot proceed without you?
As a social worker, yes, Your Honor.
There's no other social worker?
We have, but our social worker was also assigned in different areas, Your Honor. Actually, one of our social worker is in Calayan Island since July 27, and until now, andun pa po, hindi pa po siya nakakabalik.
So if you were given a travel authority, would you have appeared before this committee?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, okay, thank you. Mr. Heraclio Dumapal?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Sir, would you have appeared in this committee's hearing last Monday if you were given a travel authority by your provincial administrator?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Last meeting, sir.
Mm-hmm. Last Monday, August 7.
And last Monday, sir. No.
No,
Yes, sir.
you would not have appeared.
Yes.
But if you were given a travel authority, would you appear?
Pwede rin po kasi hindi lang naman. Kung may order ako, okay lang ho. Hindi ko akong maiwanan din na liquidation kung ginagawa ng Friday.
What's your position and what office are you from?
Cashier po, sir.
Cashier. Okay, so you're responsible for releasing the
For
funds.
the liquidation of my cash advance. Your Honor.
Miss Rosel Bungkad,
Okay na, sir.
thank you.
Good morning po.
Good morning. Now, your failure to attend last Monday's meeting of this committee was due to the fact that you were not given a travel authority, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's no other reason why you could not have attended?
No more reasons, sir.
What position do you occupy and what office?
Treasury office, cashier.
Cashier
po.
also. How many cashiers are there in the provincial office?
I think 4, sir.
4.
Yes, sir.
And of the cashiers, how many were subpoenaed to appear before this committee?
One.
Just you? Just you?
All of us, sir.
All of you were subpoenaed to be here?
Show cause order po.
Okay. So you were all invited here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Miss Daisy Bagisi?
Good morning, Your Honors.
Good morning. Same question po. Would you have attended last Monday's meeting of this joint committee if you were given a travel authority by a provincial administrator?
Yes, but I have two reasons, sir, Your Honor. First, I did not have the travel authority, and secondly, we are presently conducting the PDNA or the Post-Disaster Needs Assessment dahil po sa Super Typhoon Egay.
What's your position and what office do you work for?
I am from the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, and I am a local disaster risk reduction management officer too.
So 12 days after the storm, you still conducting the...
Pidana po.
Okay, Pidana.
Yes, sir.
And how many are you in that office?
Permanent, we are only 3. And then we have 9 job orders and 1 casual employee.
Of your PDRMO?
Yes, Your Honor.
Co-chair, with the indulgence, co-chair. The whole workforce of PDRMO, 3 regular lang?
Yes, Your Honor.
The whole province?
The whole province.
Tapos
The other one has already retired po.
3 lang?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, tapos ilang job order?
9, Your Honor.
So 12, the whole province.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Attorney Rogelio Taliping Jr.
Thank you po.
Here, Your Honor.
Attorney, what office are you connected with, the provincial government?
I'm with the legal office of the province, Your Honor.
Okay, can you state for the reasons why you were unable to attend the joint committee hearing last Monday?
Yes, Your Honor. Partly because I did not have a travel authority, and I used the time last Monday, Your Honor, to sign some pleadings which we are bound to file that day. In the legal office, we have 5 lawyer positions, but only two are filled, because 3 years ago there are only 1 lawyer, which is the provincial legal officer, and I had requested for the reorganization, which grew it to 5. But until
Anyway,
now,
Attorney, sorry to cut you short.
yes.
Yung mga pleadings sa pepermahan mo, aralin mo, is it related to relief and rehab?
Ano, Your Honor?
Okay, so no, that is not related.
Yes.
So you're not directly involved.
I was. No, Your Honor.
Oh, you're not.
I was in-
So
I was in-
it's the issuance of the travel authority that you're not present last Monday.
Yes.
Okay.
I was not issued a
Thank you.
travel authority.
You're now excused. Thank you.
And
You're now excused. What else?
I was invited the first, I think, when in May 31. I attended then I was invited again, but I was not issued a subpoena, Your Honor.
Ay, gusto mo ipasikwena ka. You're a lawyer, alam mo yon.
Yes, Your Honor, but I was invited again.
Di ba? Di ba ang sinabi ko sa inyo, lahat ng mga invited resource persons which is present on that hearing should be present on the next hearing. We don't need to subpoena you.
Yes, I was invited again and I attended this time.
Kaya nga, every hearing sinabi ko yun, na dapat lahat na nandito, dapat next hearing nandito rin. Di ba?
Yes, sir. My presence signifies that I'm willing to participate.
Yeah, I know. But the pleadings and everything related to position as a legal, provincial legal officer is not related to the relief and rehab. So that will not be a reason. The only reason is you were not given the travel authority to attend last Monday's hearing, di ba?
Yes.
Tama. Okay, thank you. Your excuse.
Just, Provincial Administrator, your general explanation on your refusal to give them a travel authority was because supposedly they were part and parcel of the relief operations. You just heard Attorney Taliping Jr. said that he had nothing to do with the relief operations on the day that he was not given a travel authority.
Yes, Your Honor. The general directive of the governor was to prioritize the activities.
Sinasabi
Part
mo.
of our relief operations, Your Honor, the relief operations for distribution of relief goods and the operations relating to distribution of financial assistance are separate operations, Your Honor. So upon the directive of the governor, we prioritize the distribution since all are affected. So
Yeah, but you just heard your legal say that the functions he performed on Monday was in no way related to the relief operations.
yes, he mentioned
So
that,
then
Your
how
Honor.
does that justify your refusal to give him a travel authority when he had nothing to do with it?
Because during our discussion, Your Honor, the week prior when I was informed of the invitations and the governor was likewise apprised of the same, the directive was to prioritize the activities of the province relating to the distribution of both relief and financial. And as a matter of policy, Your Honor, there is a standing policy of the governor that whenever there are calamities, we do not allow travel as much as possible, and we have to prioritize the addressing the needs of the communities, Your Honor. So
But Panyera, so you're now saying that the governor is openly defying the subpoena of this committee by telling you that even those who are not essential should not be allowed to travel here. Are you saying that in effect?
Your Honor, we issued the refusal was to issue the travel order, Your Honor, was based on the set policies of the governor, Your Honor, of the provincial government.
Yes, I understand that's the policy. But why prevent people who will not be performing functions related to that incident?
Your Honor, because they are expected to participate in the activities, Your Honor.
Okay,
As-
let's take Attorney Taliping as an example. What is his participation going to be in the distribution of the relief goods?
Standard, Your Honor, whenever the social welfare and other offices request for extra manpower, Your Honor, they have
Are
to
you telling
assist.
me that the lawyer is going to help go out and distribute the goods?
Yes, Your Honor. That we do that, Your Honor. The province of Cagayan experiences numerous calamities, and we've gone through a lot of them,
Okay,
Your
then
Honor.
I'll go to Attorney Taliping. Attorney Taliping, on the day that the storm hit your province, did you go out and distribute goods?
No, but I attended the PDRRM Council meeting.
But she's referring now to the actual distribution of these goods, and that they said that even you might be required to do that. Now, did you in any way, at any day, during the time that there was a state of calamity in that province, go out and distribute goods?
This typhoon in particular, Your Honor, I was not called to do that. But when in a
I'm referring
previous
to
typhoons,
this particular incident, this particular storm.
no, Your Honor. But in other typhoons, I even rode a UV helicopter in distributing relief goods. That
But
was
but
Typhoon
not for this
Ulysses in
particular case.
2020.
But not for this particular case.
No, in this case, sir.
And you were not to ask to participate in this particular case, in the delivery.
I was not called.
Thank you.
Okay, so lahat tapos na. How about those